Welcome to Paulstoolbox. I'm Paul Ricalde. This is my new Milwaukee saw. I love this saw, but I'm gonna make it better in about 2 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but I always have trouble reading the little grid right here when I'm making my miter cuts. So I'm gonna take some paint. I'm just gonna spray right on these lines and we'll clear them up some. Of course, I've got to use red. I'm using the Milwaukee saw. Now I'll take some acetone. We rub the outside and you see all my lines stay red. Now I can easily see all my miter cuts and this spray paint is not going to come out. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Now if you excuse me, I have a lot of work to get done.